Okay guys, in this video I created a Python program called guessing game. So from the word itself, the user need to guess a certain number in this program. So let's dive into it. So I declared a couple of variables here. The secret number, this variable will is equals to 9, and this will be the number that the user will going to guess. So it's up to you whatever number you put here. Next, attempts, I'll make it, I set it to 0, then limit is equals to 3. So the reason I created this attempts variable and limit variable is we need to control the guessed attempts that the user will create. So I limit it to 3 attempts. Next, we have a while loop here. So we will run the whole function inside. We will run the whole code inside a while loop. In this while loop, we have a condition here: attempts is less than limit. So this is the one that keeps the user from guessing not more than 3 times. And if this condition becomes false, we will print this here, this statement here, and no more attempts. So next, we have a variable here inside the while loop. We have the variable here called guess. It is equals to int, then input. This code here means that we are requesting user input in the terminal. Then whatever input the user will enter, we will get its integer value. So we can get the integer value of that input. Then next here I put a attempts plus equals to 1. What this do is to increment the attempt here. So this attempts variable will count how many attempts did the user already do. Next, a condition: if guess is equals to secret number, if the user input is equals to secret number, of course, it means it's correct. Then we call this break here. So we will end the while loop. But if the user did not guess the number correctly, we will print this, try again. And this whole chunk of code here will run it will run 3 times in the whole program, and after that it will now exit. So let's try this. We run this now by guessing game.py. So guess. So we need to guess the number 9. Okay, so let's try guessing. Let's try inputting 9. What will happen? It says correct because we guessed number 9. Let's run it again, and let's make a wrong guess first. Let's input 3, and it will say try again. So we already, it means it was wrong, our guess is wrong. Then we are now on our second attempt. If I put another wrong guess, let's say 4, it will print try again. And we already use our first and second attempt, so now we will be in our last attempt. So I will put another wrong answer here. So if we entered this, I hope this will show no more attempts, because we are wrong and we are already used all of our attempts in guessing. So let's enter this. Yes, because our guess is wrong, try again will show, and then we will also stop the loop now no more attempts, then that's it, the program will stop. So for last example, I run this again. Let's say 3, it's a wrong guess. Then another guess, let's say 6, that will be a wrong guess. But if we will put 9, that is correct, and we will exit in the program. So that's it, guys. So this is that's all, and guessing game Python program. Thank you for watching.